Hi, in this video session we are going to learn about integers class 7. Previous session we are learning already we learned properties of integers. Now we are going to learn about exercise problems, only explanation we are going to look. Just we recap what is integer and everything. Already in integers we are getting whole numbers along with negative numbers, 0, positive numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers. There is a small rules are there, that is add a positive integer, we move to right. Add a positive integer, we move to right. Suppose right we are going to moving, so we add positive integer. Subtract negative integer, suppose you are going to left, so we are going to subtraction. So go to left, subtraction, go to right, addition. Here add a negative integer if you move to right. Add a positive integer, subtract a positive integer, we move to left. So we are going to clear cut picture on this positive integers and negative integers are there in integers. Now 1.1 exercise, just explanation I am going to give it to you. In first question, following number line shows the temperature degree Celsius at different places in a particular day. So Bangalore is given, Ooty, Simla, Srinagar and Lahore Spiti is given. So the question is, observe this number line, write the temperature place marked. So that here Bangalore is 21, 22 is given and Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. It is above 0, that is the right side. So right side is positive and left side is negative. So like this you are going to write the answer, Shimla, Srinagar, Lalpet. So you can write, that is the question they are given. Already in 6th class we did what is negative, what is positive. So positive means it is high degrees, low means negatives. Low degree, that means temperature is low means it is negative. Now second question, in a quiz positive marks are given, correct answers are, and negative marks are given, correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Like this they are given. So if Jack's score is 5 successive rounds, 25 minus 5 minus 10 15 and 10 is given. So you add it, 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 15 plus 10, so you get the answer. So total, that is the total. So here 25 plus of minus 5, that means for every negative number you get 1 brackets like this, 25 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 10 like this, plus 15 plus 10 like this. So now 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So two negatives are there, add it, 25 minus 15 plus 15 plus 10. So 15 cancel, you get 35 like this. So this is question what we are going to solve. Okay sir. Now in third question, at Srinagar temperature was 5 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees. What was the temperature on this day? The question is like this. So dropped means minus, increased means rose, that means increased means plus. So on the Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius, so dropped by 2 degrees Celsius means minus 2. So you get 0 minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 like this. So in this case minus 5 degrees Celsius, so dropped means it is below means negative, dropped below and everything. So below means minus 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 5 minus 2, minus 5 minus 2 degrees, that is minus 7 next day. Next one is the temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius, and here on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So Tuesday is minus 7. On Monday temperature is, this is third question, Monday temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So it dropped by minus 2 degrees Celsius dropped. That is dropped means minus 2. So total is minus 7 degrees on Tuesday. So next day is rose by 4 degrees, that plus 4 degrees. So it is minus 3 on next day. Minus 3 degrees Celsius on next day. Next one is, fourth question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. Above the sea level. So above the sea level, if you take the sea level is 0. So suppose here sea level. Above the sea level is 5000 meters above the sea level. And at a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. Below the sea level means here. So here we are getting 1200 meters below. 1200 meters below. So total distance there are. So what is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them? So 5000 plus 1200. Normally distance is always positive. Distance is always positive. Science says that it is a direction above or below. Suppose if you are taking minus here plus, some people think that it is subtraction. Don't do like that, because the negative sign says that it is a below direction, below or above. Suppose positive means above, below means minus. So this is the direction only. So meters and everything is positive always. So 5000 plus 1200, it is 6200 is the distance between the submarine and aeroplane. Submarine and aeroplane. So 5000 plus 1200. It is what we are doing like this. Now, otherwise previously what we are going to explain, below means add, negative, add, subtract like this. So 5000 minus of minus 1200. Better you can do like this. So minus of minus 12, so 12 plus 1200, it is 6200 meters. 6200 meters. Next one is, Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in a bank account, withdraws rupees 1642. Withdraw means negative. Withdraw means negative. Withdraw means negative. So from on the next day, if withdrawal amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposit? Deposit amount is positive. So 2 plus 2000. So what we are going to deposit it. So withdraw negative. So minus 1642. Minus 1642. So next, what is the balance? So subtract it. You can get the answer. Okay, this is the fifth question. 1.1 exercise. Next one is, Rita goes to 20 kilometers towards east at a point to the B, point A to point B. From B she moves 30 kilometers towards west, same road. If the distance towards east represented by positive, and how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Negative. By which integer you represent the final position from A? This is the question. So she travels, Rita travels, so this is the starting point. Starting point, so this is east and this one is west. So from she travels this position to here, suppose if you take A, up to here she travels 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers. After that she travels 30 kilometers. She travels up to 30 kilometers here towards west. So from A to B it is 30 kilometers. Now what is her position from A? So the gap, this gap is minus 10. So what the question is, by which integer will be represent the final position from A? So from A means it is 20 kilometers and minus 10. So it is negative distance. So opposite to east to opposite is west, negative. So normally how much distance? Minus 10 from her position. From her position, starting position is minus 10. It is negative. Negative sign is always direction only. Not is a. It is not kilometers and areas or anything is in positive only, not in negatives. So there is no minus 2 kilometers. There is no minus 3 kilometers. If you say minus 10 kilometers here, it is a minus means it opposite to other way. So that other direction. So we are taking minus is a direction purpose only, not anything, sir. Okay. Next one is sixth question is over. Seventh question is magic square. So already it is a very interesting. You add rows and columns and diagonal, you get same answers. Then it is called magic square. So here the square is row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which is the following are magic squares. So you add it, you get the answers. If it is not get any answer, so any answer is wrong means you are that square is not a magic square. Next one is eighth question is verify a minus of minus b equal to a plus b. So one question is there, a equal to 21, b equal to 18. So here a minus of minus b. So 21 minus of minus 18. 21 plus 8 minus into minus plus. So here 18. So 39. The question answer is 39. Next one is a plus b. What is a plus b? So 21 plus 18, that is 39. So both answers are same. This is called LHS, left hand side, and this one is called RHS. So left hand side equal to right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side equal to RHS. So like this, remaining three you can do yourself. Next question is ninth question. In ninth question, less than, greater than, equal to. Already in 6th class we learn about the less than, greater than or equal. These three are called, and also another one is the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These operators, this is called logical operators. These are called logical operators. Between two items, what are the comparing between the two items or any two quantities, we are using this ones. Okay. Main thing is greater than, less than and equal to. So first one is a question is minus 8 plus minus 4. So you add it, minus 12 will come. Minus 8 minus of minus 4, so minus 4 will come. So minus 4 and here minus 12. So minus 12 is less than minus 4. Minus 12 is less than minus 4. In positive, 12 is greater than 4. 12 is greater than 4. Next one is the 10th question. A water tank has steps inside. A monkey is sitting on its topmost step, first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Water level is in the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. How many jumps will he reach the water level? So probably 11 steps, because here 9 steps are there. For example, I am going to give an idea. First step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. So water level at 9. This is the water level. So the monkey jumps 3 steps down. So from 1 to 4, this is the third step. 1, 2, 3. Gaps only. So 5 fingers are, the gaps are 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So 1 to 4 means 3 gaps only. Here 3 steps down and jumps back to 2 steps. So back 2 steps. So minus, this is plus 3. Again what from step 2 say, again 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So it goes to 5. This is plus 3. Again 2 steps back. So back is minus 2. Minus 2. Again 3 steps. Plus 3. Again it comes to minus 2. So from 4 to 3 steps again. 2 steps back. Again 2 steps. So from here 3 steps. So from here minus 2. From here 3 steps. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 minute. Okay, here first step to 3 steps plus, so fourth step में. Next 4 minus 2 second step, 2 plus 3 fifth step, and that is the steps. 5 minus 2 third step, next 3 plus 3 sixth step, and 6 minus 2 fourth step, again 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 minus 2 sixth step, sixth step ninth step. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11th step. So monkey reaches 11th jump. So on 11th jump that monkey reaches the water level. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back to 2 steps down every move. So in how many jumps will he reach back top step? So here again same manner you are going to do and you get the answer. So in this case you are going to learn 4 steps up and 2 steps back. Up means plus and back means minus 2. Again 4, again minus 2, again 4. So it reaches 5, within 5 jumps it reaches the top. In third question, if the number of steps moved down represented by negative and the steps of moved up by positive, represent the moves part 1 and part 2 completing the following, they are given. So here minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, it is given like this, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. So you get minus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6, you are getting minus 8 will be there. So you can write like this, so you get minus 8. Suppose 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, you get plus 8. It is a plus 8. So minus 8 represent going down and 8 steps, minus 8. Sum is 8 means B is called positive. So moves down is the minus, moves up means positive. So plus 8 is positive, move up. Okay, thank you.